This video will guide you through the process of replacing the mass airflow (MAF) sensor on the 2016 Honda Accord L4 2.4 liters. The MAF sensor is located in the airbox exit port before the intake air tube. Begin by removing the MAF sensor. 1. Gently open and secure the hood. 2. Disconnect the MAF sensor connector A. 3. Loosen the two screws holding the MAF B. Remove the MAF sensor from its mounting hole and discard the O-ring. Finish by installing a new sensor. 1. Insert the new MAF sensor A with a new O-ring B into its mounting hole. Tighten the two screws to 1.1 foot-pounds to ensure a snug fit. 2. Connect the mass airflow sensor's electrical connector. 3. Close the hood to complete the installation process. This concludes the procedure for replacing the mass airflow sensor on the 2016 Honda Accord L4 2.4 liters. Thank you for watching.